Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essential tools and acting now: microfiber cloth, a stiff card, tape, and a hairdryer on low. Once in a clean, dust-free spot, wash your hands so you don't add particles. Gently lift a single corner about 1/2 inch. You need just enough access to work under the protector. This first action exposes the source of bubbles, air pockets, or dust, so you can remove them without peeling the whole protector off and risking misalignment. Once the corner is lifted, use a short strip of tape to touch any visible dust and lift it straight away. This removes the usual culprit. If the protector resists, warm the edge for 3 to 5 seconds with a hairdryer to soften the adhesive. This helps the film flex without curling. Then place the card at roughly a 30-degree angle and push each bubble toward the opened edge, moving slowly and evenly to avoid creating new pockets or creases as the air escapes. Finish by pressing the protector down firmly with a microfiber cloth along the resealed edge. Then roll the card outward to flatten the area and ensure full contact. This re-establishes the adhesive bond. If a small bubble persists, lift only the affected section, remove any speck with tape, and reseal, because stubborn dirt, not air, is usually the problem. If you notice a permanent crease or too many trapped particles, replace the protector. Attempting more fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.